Bless you. All right, so we're doing a subtraction problem here. I've already started by putting in my first number, this 467, into my chart. I know because it's subtraction, I'm only going to have one number in my chart. So I have 467 take away 239. All right, the first thing I need to do is make sure that I have enough in each of my units. So I need to make sure I have enough hundreds, tens, and ones. I can already tell that I have 7 ones and I need to take away 9. So that means I need to borrow from my tens to make sure I have enough ones because I can't take this 9 away from 7, right? Because there's not enough, okay? So I'm going to switch my color here real fast. I'm going to make it blue, make my line really skinny. And I'm going to go ahead and borrow this 10. I'm going to cross it out, move it over. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 17 ones because I have this 10 plus this 7. Awesome. Okay, I know 17 is bigger than 9, so I definitely have enough ones. Let's check to make sure I have enough tens. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, I need to take away 3 tens. Yep, I have enough to do that. Okay, and do I have enough to take away 200s? Yep, I do. All right, I can get started. So I'm going to take away my 9 ones first. I'll switch my color. You don't have to switch your color. It's just something that helps my brain see what I'm doing next. If it helps you too, you can. If not, if you just want to do it all in the same color, that's totally okay. So I'm going to take away 9 of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So I have this one left, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So that means I have 8 ones. Now I need to take away 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And I need to take away 2 hundreds. 1, 2. Okay, so that means I can write my 2 hundreds, my 2 tens, and my 8 ones. Just like that. All right, now if I want to do it over here for my vertical form, I know that I need to put the biggest number on top. The biggest number needs to go on top. So I'm looking at my numbers. Okay, 467 is definitely the biggest number here. So I'm going to go 467. And then my other number that I'm taking away is 239. 239. Okay, now I'm looking at this problem. I know that I can't take 9 away from the 7. So I need to borrow. I need to borrow from my tens place. Just like I did over here when I moved this over to make these, I need to borrow from my tens. So I'm going to cross out my 6, and I'm going to make that a 5. I'm going to cross out my 7. Okay, now I'm taking a 10, moving it over. 10 plus 7, 17. That's easy. Okay, I can do that. Now, 17 take away 9. Okay, if I'm trying to do that in my head, I know that 10 take away 9 is 1. So I have a 10 plus a 17. So if I have the 1 left over and I add that to the 7, 10. So 17 take away 9 is 8. Awesome. Now my 5 take away 3 is 2. If you need to do this on your fingers, that's totally okay. If you had to do the 17 take away 9 on your fingers by counting down, that's awesome. Whatever way works for you to keep track of those numbers, okay? Right now we're just focusing on making sure we're doing it in both ways, on the chart and on the vertical form. Now 4 take away 2 is 2. Awesome. I solved it both ways, and my numbers, oh here, let me see if I can get this to go away. They match. 228, 228. I solved it. You can too, SFSU. Oh, and then I need to make sure that I click my lock over here and then the submit button, okay? I need to make sure that I hit the submit button so that Miss Peters can see it, so that I can see your work, okay? And then Mr. Salazar can too.